Best foods for weight loss. You need to eat these. Welcome to our video on best foods for weight loss. You need to eat these. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy weight can be challenging. This video will introduce you to the top foods that can help you shed those extra pounds effectively and healthily. We'll explore how incorporating these foods into your diet can simplify your weight loss journey and lead to lasting results. Eating the right foods is crucial for boosting metabolism, reducing cravings, and providing essential nutrients. Stay tuned to learn how you can incorporate these powerhouse foods into your diet for successful weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging journey for many people, often filled with frustration and setbacks. However, the right foods can make all the difference. By choosing nutrient-dense, metabolism-boosting foods, you can curb cravings, stay fuller longer, and achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Did you know that over 40% of adults in the world are obese? This alarming statistic highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy diet. Making informed food choices can significantly improve your overall health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and enhance your quality of life. Start prioritizing your health today. Top foods that aid in weight loss. 1. Lean proteins. Chicken breast low in fat, high in protein, helps build muscle and keeps you full. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids promotes heart health and reduces inflammation. Eggs packed with essential nutrients and high-quality protein, keeping you satiated. 2. Fruits. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with antioxidants. Apples high in fiber and water content, promoting fullness and reducing calorie intake. Grapefruit may boost metabolism and reduce appetite, aiding in weight loss. 3. Vegetables. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, low in calories, high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, high in fiber and protein, promoting fullness. Bell peppers, low in calories, high in vitamins A and C, adding flavor and nutrients to meals. 4. Whole grains. Quinoa A complete protein, high in fiber, and keeps you full for longer. Oats rich in soluble fiber, helps reduce hunger and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Brown rice low in fat, high in fiber, and provides a sustained release of energy. 5. Legumes. Lentils, high in protein and fiber, keeps you full and supports digestive health. Chickpeas versatile, nutrient-dense, and can be used in various dishes to add bulk and nutrition. Black beans packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, aiding in weight loss and muscle maintenance. 6. Healthy fats. Avocados high in healthy monounsaturated fats, helps control hunger and promotes heart health. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Rich in healthy fats, protein and fiber, supporting weight loss and overall health. Olive oil contains healthy fats that promote satiety and can be used as a healthy cooking option. 7. Avocado, a surprising and effective food for weight loss. Rich in healthy fats. High in monounsaturated fats. Helps control hunger and keeps you feeling full longer. Nutrient-dense. Provides essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and vitamins. Contributes to overall health while aiding weight loss. Reduces cravings. Promotes satiety, reducing the urge to snack. Supports maintaining a calorie deficit for weight loss. Supports weight loss goals. Powerful ally in achieving and maintaining weight loss. Versatile and easy to incorporate into various meals. Conclusion. In conclusion, the key to successful weight loss lies in choosing the right foods. Remember to include lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and yes, avocados in your diet to support your weight loss journey. In summary, incorporating key foods like lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats into your diet is essential for effective weight loss. Lean proteins help build muscle and keep you full, while fruits and vegetables provide vital nutrients and fiber. Whole grains offer sustained energy, legumes add bulk and nutrition, and healthy fats like those in avocados promote satiety. These foods not only aid in weight loss, but also support overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite weight loss foods in the comments below. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.